Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Johnson & Johnson 160-piece first aid kit. So it comes in a nice storage container. I like that. I will measure it real quick. 9.5 inches by 6.5, almost 7 inches in thickness. About 3 3/8, almost 3.5 inches. I like that it's red. It's going to be easy to identify. All right, so let's open it up, see what we get. We do get a little first aid fundamentals booklet. Has a few things in it. Now there's like this plastic divider, so we get some hand cleansing wipes, some tape. I do like that it comes with Neosporin and Band-Aids. So let's just take a look at the Band-Aids. Open them up. Here's what they are. And then take the two things off. Yeah. These look like really nice Band-Aids. All right, good. What else do we get? Benadryl. Oh, good. Some smaller Band-Aids are here on the side. We've got some non-stick pads. A little pair of scissors. But in emergency, I think they'll work pretty good. An ice pack. So if you break this, you do get an ice pack. There's some more gauze. Ooh, big Band-Aids. So I'm not sure whether to leave that divider in there or not. It takes up quite a bit of room, so I probably won't. But I do like how it looks. What else do we get? A bunch of these Band-Aids. These are smaller Band-Aids. Bunch of those, yeah. These are kind of cloth Band-Aids. Oh, nice. What else do we get? More gauze. Let's just see what one looks like. Yeah. Tape. So if you need to put a bandage on, some tape. There is some Tylenol. Good. Not very much Tylenol. A couple things of Tylenol. Oh, these are like to put across the wound. Looks like maybe. Yeah, to put across something to keep it closed, maybe. Yeah, okay. All right. What else we got? Band-Aids. Again, these were the hand cleansing wipes. I wonder what that is. Helps remove dirt. So you could clean your hands before you started to clean something. They're wet. Like little towelettes. All right. Yeah, they smell like alcohol. All right, we got this, the gauze, these big, I won't open these up. These are real big. You don't get many of these. And you get, it looks like some more. Is this the same as this? A little bit different. A little bit different. Maybe. Yeah, more of a cloth feel. Maybe that's... So here is an exact list of everything. Oh, that's the Band-Aid water block. Butterfly closures, Tylenol extra strength. So again, you don't get much Tylenol, just 2 of these packets. And it looks like there's 2 extra strength in there, 500 milligrams each. So again, I like putting everything back in there. I think I will leave that plastic divider in there. It does kind of help keep it closed. Yeah, it's a really nice kit. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.